Alright, knocking off this last 10 of these 40 Smith & Wesson. Nice and oiled and very smooth, runs very quiet and very smoothly. Lovely. Primed smoothly. It beats the Hornady, hands down, beats my Hornady hands down, like I give it credit. And in my opinion, this might be the best press I've ever seen. Run out of primers. Very accurate. This quick powder measure. Incredibly accurate. This indexer is very smooth, and I see the logic in using the small indexer once you understand the system. This thing is magic. They upgraded the primer transfer bars. This is the one I put in here. I did maybe about 200, 300, 400 40s and another 200, 300 9s, and this thing just keeps working. I had no breakage, no jammings. Once you learn how to use this thing, which is easy to do, it's a breeze. No jams with the eject spring anymore. That's over. With the longer eject wire and touching the back of the round that's in the crimp stage, not one jam up. There you go. Also, I wanted to show this thing here. This might be, look at that. That's a beautiful machine. Beautiful machine. Smooth. Best press ever made. And this might be one of the best things ever 3D printed. This is my spent primer bin. Little cup comes out like that. Might hold maybe a couple hundred primers. Maybe three, maybe two, maybe three. Dump it out, put it back in, and there she blows. Yeah, that's a cool little 3D printed attachment. I got it off of Thingiverse, and it's great. And there she is, a beautiful beast. 7 stations working in tandem, working fantastically together, working smoothly together. I have become a fan of this press. RCBS needs to communicate better on what to do with this press and how to use this press. As far as, like I said, my video before this one, how to keep the different joints here oiled and what type of oil to use. And, you know, things are smooth. It's fantastic. I have no complaints. No complaints now. This is incredible. Now, I use lead presses, I use Hornady presses, and now I'm using RCBS. Haven't used Dylan, quite sure it's a wonderful press, but I can't see it being better than this right here. I'm telling you, this is simple, simplicity, ease of use, ease of maintenance, 7 stages, can't emphasize that enough. ease of switching over from one caliber to the next. This thing is insane. And for the money, $668 for a 7-stage press. You know, and it had it. You know, there was some teasing that was going through with the primer slider, but they fixed that. That's done. It's over. Once you know how to use this thing, you don't have to worry about this index arm no more. That's over. You don't have to worry about the ejection spring anymore. Once you know what to do with that, that's over. All they had to do was communicate that better to their public, but I don't know what RCBS doing. I guess they concentrate on other things. But that said, yeah, incredible. I haven't had not one problem since. Not one hiccup. This is my favorite press of all time. There's no press, and I'm telling you, there's no press out there better than this beast. Once you understand what these engineers were up to, I was upset with them too, but once you understand how to use this press, then you know. They made a mistake with the slider transfer, the primer transfer bars, but they fixed that. And this little indexing arm is just the smoothest thing ever, man. I mean, it's just smoothness. Look at that. Look at that. And you can control the speed just by slowing down or speeding up. And that little plastic, I put a lighter spring on there. Look at that thing. Look at that. Beautiful. Look at that. Boom. Boom. There she is. Look at that. There she is. Look at that primer. Back, forward. Oh, this definitely beats my Hornady. This thing is just too smooth. Anyway, that's it. Till next time.